Oh, here's another one of those things in their hands. Who is that? Huh? Huh?
He's
Well,
good
go
too.
there
I think
and
he's
get her.
saying, oh, potential
Go there and get her.
girlfriend.
Go get her.
And I like
Go get
older
her.
women.
Go get her.
Say, I recognize a cougar when I see it.
Look at all your teeth. Wow.
Yeah, Paul said, don't get your fingers near his mouth.
Hi, Muffin. What's happening? Hi, do you want me to play with these too?
What's she doing? Huh?
Yeah, sure.
What
He's
is
scared
that
of
girl?
strangers.
Huh?
Your great-grandmother lied.
Girl.
She said you were just shy around strangers.
This is a first.
Look, he's just showing off. You have met your match, Beth.
There you
He was
go.
even scared of Grandpa there for
Right.
about 5 minutes.
No way. No way. Come here. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Look, he's just grinning like a little
Oh,
sissy.
give me 5.
Oh.